Welcome to RidgeLife. I'm Tim, and today I think I got a problem. I think I'm a little bit behind in my bush hogging. What do you think? Woo, we're gonna take care of this today and so much more. Let's do this.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin, hauling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for a collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right. Moments pass, make this one count. Untie. You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out.
Trying to bush hog with these low-hanging branches is almost impossible. What are we gonna do to fix it? I got an idea. To combat that problem, we're gonna use the Wild Badger 4-in-1 multi-tool. Let's see what's in the box. We get this awesome 40-volt head unit. It's got two 20-volt lithium batteries on it. Very, very powerful. And guys, one of the awesome things, most excited about, is this pole saw. Guys, this is gonna get me up there, get them limbs off so I ain't gotta be ducking on the tractor all the time. For all those bushes that line the side and that pole saw won't do it, I got a hedge trimmer. That'll do it. The pole saw and hedge trimmer take care of all that stuff up high, but what about down low? Brush and grass. Well, check this out. got a bladed brush cutter. We also got a string trimmer. That's right, 4-in-1. This is the kind you put in, twist, very easy to load and to get more out. Another great feature of the pole saw, bar and chain oil reservoir. Check that out. Just like your regular chainsaw, you got a little bolt right here, tighten the chain as needed. Comes with all the tools you need to keep your pole saw operational. Another awesome feature with the Hedge trimmer, check this out. Let's say you got a hedge and you want to get the top of it nice and flat. Whoop, there you go. Wow. You're in the Marines now, jarhead. Package also comes with this 20-volt fast charger. That's right, it's a 40-volt unit. It uses two 20-volt lithium-ion batteries. Plug one into here, fast charge, plug the other one in, fast charge. Each of the batteries also has a battery charge indicator. Push a button, little LEDs light up, tell you how much it's charged. And we've also got all the tools, again, you need. There's Allen wrenches in here, there's a chainsaw tool, there's plugs to keep the ports, everything clean. Of course, there's the instruction manual, the user's manual, telling you how to maintain, use, set up, everything you know about your Wild Badger 4-in-1 multi-tool. I do have my hearing protection and eye protection. Gonna be using this pole saw. See if we can get these pesky limbs down here. Oh, that's easy. Oh, look at that, that's so easy. Boom. Oh, one more, I missed that one. All right, tractor can get down and dirty now. Love it. All right, I know the pole saw works great for clearing out. I can get under this area no problem with the tractor now. I think there's a couple other areas we need to look at too, so let's go check those out. The pole saw worked great on those low-hanging branches, but look at this brush. These bushes are overhanging the field. When you try to drive your tractor and bush hog through there, you end up having to go under them like this, so what you end up doing, because you don't want them chiggers all over you, that's for sure, and you don't get the sticks poked in the eye and everything. So what you end up doing is just getting a little bit further away every time you bush hog. A little bit further away, a little bit further away, and then you end up over the course of several years losing an acre of your field because the sides just grew out. But we can fix that. Not going to use the pole saw because there's not really any big limbs or trees to cut down. I think the pole hedge trimmer will do perfectly for that job. I think so. All right, that turned out really good. I got all this clear right here so I can go through with the tractor now. I'm seeing something over there I think I want to take care of while we're out here. The pole saw does a great job on those low-hanging branches, and the hedge trimmer is perfect for all those bushes and brush that's overgrowing the field. But I've got a bunch of tree stands around the field here, and they're really not big limbs or trees to cut down at the base of it. And I don't want to really cut the brush up at the top. I need to cut the bases out. I think the brush trimming blade on the trimmer will work perfectly for that. I really don't need the grass trimmer for this. I can save that for the ditch bank out by the road at the ridge entrance. But that blade, I think it's going to do it. It fell on me. That's why, oh man, this thing's cutting through these like butter. Woo! Like butter. I'm seriously like butter. Well, that turned out nicely. Oh my goodness. I got a couple more tree stands to do, a little more field edge to do, and then we'll get back to bush hogging. I love my wild badger. boy, that was a lot of work. Sun is starting to set, and we got most of it done though. You can see the dirty, dusty old tractor next to this big old tree pile. This is the one I'm gonna burn. There is a ton of trees in this pile, but I think I can burn it. I don't think it's beyond my capabilities. Definitely something we can do. Look how beautiful this field looks. Rolling hills. Might be hard to tell on the camera there. And I see the bees over there. I did not weed eat around the bees because I didn't bring my bee suit over here. Just had the tractor and the Kubota side by side. If I had my bee suit, I would have had weed eated. Used the wild badger, the string trimmer, to weed eat around there. I'll bring it back and weed eat all around the bees when I have my bee suit. But they are doing great. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We got a ton of work done today. Oh my goodness. We got a lot of this field edge trimmed back so I could bush hog a lot closer. Got tree stands cleared up around them. Of course, got the field bush hog. That made me so happy. What a great day on the ridge. Woo, man. That wild badger 4-in-1 multi-tool did the job. Made my bush hogging experience so much better. Got all the stuff along the field edge, got around my tree stands, and of course those big hanging limbs that used to bend my exhaust pipe on my tractor and knock my hat off. Oh my goodness. I wish I'd have got that thing years ago. So thank you, Wild Badger, appreciate that. If you want to get your own Wild Badger 4-in-1 multi-tool, I'll leave a link down in the description. I highly recommend it. The field looks amazing. It's hot, it's dusty, but it looks amazing. Old Blue behind me, she needs a bath though, so I might have to take her back here and give her that one of those foam baths, right? The foam cannon bath. Y'all remember me doing that? She does it good. She likes that foam bath. I'll tell you that right now. She purrs like a kitten after I give her that. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. A little bit different. I try to mix things up. You know, it's grass here, burning piles there, building this there, animals there, hunting there, cutting the field. That's right. Got some good stuff here on the ridge, and hopefully, again, you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe. It's 100% free. Hit that notification bell to be notified anytime a new video comes out on RidgeLife. And guys, until next time, I hope everyone has a blessed day, and go RidgeLife.